Firstly, put the towel on the bed and folding the towel correctly. Correctly each part of the towel. Make sure the end of the towel was tidy. Press the top of the towel so that the swan head can be standing. Lastly, make sure the love of swan are successfully making. I am using different color of rose flowers such as white rose and red rose as a flower arrangement. Besides that, I also put some fake grasses around the flower. Lastly, I put a flower pot beside the swan tower as a decoration.